Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to use AXS. So let's get into the video. So as you may know, AXS is simply an online ticketing system where you can buy and sell tickets. So firstly, go to AXS, their site, and then you go to sign up. So you go to sign up for AXS account. So simply click on create an account. So once you get to the page, hit on create an account. You simply need your name, email address and phone number for the sign up process. So simply, I have already signed up, so I'm not going to sign up again, but I have already. So simply provide your name, email address, phone number, and then once you have click on create account, and then it's going to send you a verification email to your email. So get that, verify your email, and then add your phone number. It's going to verify your phone number as well, get that done and all those things. Once everything is done, you'll be on their page here. So let me log into my page since I've already signed up. So when you get to once you have signed up, you'll get to this page here. So this is your home page here. So what are you going to do? So what are you going to do now here? Once you have signed in, you'll see this page here where you can see all your based on your location here. You can see all your events nearby your locations, and you can search for tickets here. You can browse through the tickets here, or you can search through the artist name or anything here. You can search on the search list here, type in and then search for it. So if you're going to buy a ticket, you can simply select any event here. So for example, this one here. So simply select an event, and then once you have selected an event, you can hit on get tickets, click on get tickets, and then now what you have to do, it will take you to the ticketing site here. To the ticket options here. So simply select the ticket options, and then as usual, how you normally make an online order, you go to select the seats, and then your payment options here. So you can just select any seats here. So and then select it. It's similar to a Ticketmaster. You just select the seats, and then you select your payment option, and then everything, and then you can hit on checkout and then add in your payment option and then complete the process. So that's how you can buy tickets on AXS. So something like this here. So select it and then hit on continue, and then just plug in your payment information and then complete the order. So that's how you can buying tickets on AXS. And apart from buying, you can also sell your tickets. So if you go to your account here on AXS, if you go to orders, then you'll be able to see all your tickets here. So select the ticket that you wish to sell. You can just select the ticket. So once you select the ticket, you will see something like this here with a barcode, which is your access code to your tickets. You can simply click on sell option here. So if you see the sell option, that means you can sell this ticket. So if you don't have, then some tickets are not eligible to resell, so you won't see that. But if you hit on sell, and then you can just complete the process to sell the tickets. And also, if you want to add your payment method, you can simply do that. If you click on your account option here, and then if you go to payments option here, you can simply add a payment method. Under payment methods, simply click on add payment method, and then you can add it and then continue and save these as well. So these are pretty much how you can use AXS to buy and sell your tickets on. So I hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video.